Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check read and write speed of SSD or HDD. So let's start the video. First of all, we need to go to the taskbar, then we need to click performance. So in my device you can see the C drive is SSD and EFG drives are HDD. So now we need to go to command prompt, we need to run it as administrator. Now we have to type a command. So the command is winsat disk slash drive, and then we have to give the drive name. So in my case the SSD is in C drive, so we'll type C and we'll press enter. So as you can see, this is my SSD speed. So you can see there is a option disk sequential 64.read speed 1960 Mbps, and the write speed is 1201.52 Mbps. So this is my SSD speed. The write speed is 1201 and the read speed is 1960. So now we'll see the HDD speed of my device. So we have to copy the same command, and in the place of C we have to give G because my HDD in G drive. So let's see the speed of my HDD. As we know that the HDD is slower than the SSD, so we have to wait for it. It will take some time. So as you can see, the speed of my HDD is showing up. So the read speed of my HDD is 129.15 Mbps and the write speed of my HDD is 157.97 Mbps. So it is very slow than the SSD. So I have shown you how you can get your drive speed from command prompt. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.